Okay, this video we're gonna show you how to change the startup delay on a Generac generator. To do this, you'll need to access the dealer menu. And to do that, you're gonna have to punch in the sequence to access this. So you can see right here, escape, up, escape, down, up, escape, up, enter. So you're gonna perform this. You can see it's just on the main screen here, system's flashing. So we're gonna go escape, up, escape, down, up, escape, up, enter. And then push escape again, and then you're gonna go into sub menus. And then there, you should be able to access the one that says dealer. You can see it's flashing. And then once in the dealer one, you're gonna go down to dealer edit. And it'll be your first one where it says startup delay. This one came out from factory at 32 seconds. We recommend not going any lower than 5 seconds. So push enter, and then you can adjust it by going up and down. So you can take it down all the way to 5 seconds if you'd like. We can go up higher just to show you about 5 seconds. I'm not going to go quite that far down on this one. Probably just do 10 seconds. And then push enter, and that should save it. And then you can exit out of it. So really quick and simple. You just need to make sure you have that dealer menu code to access the dealer menu. So there you go.